Hey y'all, I'm Jakia, an organizing consultant, and I believe that organization is good for the soul. If you are new to my channel and who I am just a person who loves organization. I like to talk about budget-friendly organizing products, share practical, simple organizing tips, show myself organizing, so behind the scenes, organizing vlogs, anything related to organization you will see here on this channel. In this upcoming video, I went to At Home, and if you're not familiar with At Home, they are a large home decor and furnishing store. Think of like the Container Store and Target merging together. That's what I think about At Home. Oh my gosh, and when you go inside of their stores, they're neat, they're clean, and everything is organized. Like, they're coordinated, it smells good in there. Like, you can really spend some money if you are not careful. So grab yourself a snack, a drink of your choice, and enjoy this video as I educate you on how to use some of these products. And if you live near an at-home store, hopefully this inspires you to go check them out. All right, stay tuned for the video. Okay, first up are these trays, and At Home have various styles and shapes and sizes of trays. So when it comes to organization, here is how I would use these trays. Number one, they're great to display items just as decoration or for aesthetic purposes. Two, trays are also great to have items on hand that you want to access frequently and quickly. So let's think about perfume, right? That's something that you might wear on a daily basis. So having it displayed on a tray makes it easier for you to access. Next up are these scented sachets. And as soon as you walk into the store, you just smell their amazing aroma. But I have quite a few of these and I use them in various spaces. And so maybe this will give you an idea on how to incorporate these within your space. So I use these a lot. So I've actually stored them inside of my closet to elevate the closet space. I've stored them inside of my car, the laundry room, bathroom. Some packets I've even opened and poured into a small bowl that I wasn't using, or like an old mason jar. And I've placed those like at the front of my door just so I can be greeted by that amazing aroma when I walk into my space. And then I might also tuck and hide them away in various corners within my space. And it just really makes my place feel inviting and refreshing. Next are these box of hangers. So for $20 plus some tax, you can get a quantity of 50 non-slip velvet hangers. I particularly prefer this type. I think it can really enhance your closet space, make it feel like a boutique. And there's nothing like having matching hangers streamlined across your closet. It just really brings everything together and creates a cohesive look. Next up are these beautiful decorative boxes. So full disclosure, a lot of them are made out of glass or another fragile material, which means they can probably easily break. And for that reason, my recommendation would be to store jewelry pieces in here that are part of a family heirloom, considered vintage or sentimental, right? So it'll be a nice way to honor those items and put them on display. Or you would only access them every once in a while, say like if you're attending a wedding or some type of a fancy banquet. Now, these next few video clips don't feature any organizing products, but I just wanted to highlight the amazing variety of artwork that At Home has. Like, there are several aisles of just different themes, colors, shapes, textures. So just check out the next few clips. I literally wanted to buy every piece of artwork that I saw. All right, so we are at the end, and the last products that I am featuring are products designed to organize your paperwork. I know that managing documents can really be a true challenge for some people. And so, what I would recommend is you really have to contain your paperwork. But before you contain it, you have to really go through it, you have to sort it and categorize it. And then the last thing I would recommend is labeling whatever paper storage product you decide to use. So whether it's bills, whether it's to take immediate action, whether it's junk mail, whether it belongs to a certain individual, this will help you to really reduce the amount of documents that pile up and also help you to maintain and tidy up the documents from time to time. But At Home has a variety of paper storage options that you can choose from. Let me know in the comment section which products were your favorite and what other Shop with Soul organizing videos should I post next. Until next video, thanks for watching.